The rhythm section on the loop station by Boss RC300 is here. This is your main volume. This is a button for the rhythm. So you activate a rhythm like so. You choose your tempo in the tempo button right next to it. And you can edit the beat or groove in the edit button underneath. So this section is your rhythm. This button, once you've pressed the edit button, will change the beat. So you can change your beat to whatever you need to hear for what you're about to do. Okay, when you got it, you can add, take away, and it will be the one that is activated to these 3 tracks when this little light is on. If that light's off and you record a track or play a track, there will be no beat. If you want there to be a beat, you need the light on. So now it will play with the beat.